First fighter to the scale, UFC's interim lightweight champion, Dustin the Diamond Porьe. Championship weight 155 pounds for Dustin Porьe. And his opponent, the reigning, defending UFC lightweight champion of the world, the Eagle, Hабиба. We step over here and we will first corral the UFC's interim lightweight champion, Dustin Porьe. Congrats on getting to this point. One more sleep, my man. Your emotions here on the eve of the biggest fight of your professional life.
Man, it's been a crazy ride, but tomorrow we get to the pinnacle, Abu-Dabi. This week has been amazing. The city's beautiful. The people here are beautiful. Thank you all. Tomorrow night, I unify these belts. Leave as the undisputed world champion.
It's a wrestle. We'll see you tomorrow night, the interim champ. And we step over here and talk to the man. Most of you are here to see the great Hабиба. Final thoughts on what these loyal supporters can expect to see here tomorrow, sir.
First of all, I want to say thank you, Abu-Dabi, and all my fans around the world who come here. Thank you so much, guys. Tomorrow night, inshallah, I'm ready to go. You know, my weight is good, my shape is good. I trained so hard last 100 days for this fight. Inshallah, tomorrow night, I'm going to defend my title and improving, make history. Thank you so much, guys. Большое спасибо всем, кто приехали с России, со всех стран, с СНГ, всех моих болельщиков. Хочу отблагодарить, большое вам спасибо. Мы столько лет шли к этому, и сейчас мы здесь, иншаллах, завтра я сделаю все, чтобы сделать победу завтра, иншаллах. Спасибо большое всем, увидимся завтра.
Always an honor, sir. See you tomorrow night. Hабиба. Abu-Dabi, you've been great. Bring it tomorrow night. We'll see you for the live action right back here on Yas Island. Thank you all very much.